Like a full moon among the stars, your face is my sweetest dream. No matter what happens, with you by my side, I'll keep moving forward on life's journey. Beloved wife, I love you. No matter how hard life gets, I'll stand strong.